Hello students, in today's video we will learn about the laws of indices or the exponents. So here are the laws of the indices. Next, we first define what are those exponents. So if I have a raised to the power m, so here this a is known as the base, and the m is known as the exponent or the index. When you have a to the power m, what does it mean? When you have a raised to the power m, this means that we have to multiply a till m times. Let me take an example. Suppose I have 2 to the power 5. This will be equal to, this means that we have to multiply 2 how many times? 5 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. See, it means that we have to multiply 2 to the power 5, means that we have to multiply 2 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay, now we will do the exercises. I will do the solve examples. Okay, I will use the examples. So question number 1, 2 to the power 1 by 3 multiply 2 to the power 1 by 4. So here we look at the base. The base here is 2, and the base here is also 2. So the base are equal. So what do we do here? When the base are equal, this is the situation. This is the laws number 1. When the base are equal, here a, here also is a. So the base are equal, then we just add the power. So we add the power here. We write only one base 2, and we add the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, and this will be equal to 2 raised to the power. So here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Simplify this first. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. We find the LCM of 3 and 4, and we will get 12. LCM of 3 and 4, we will get 12. Next, 12 divide 3 equal 4. This 4 we have to multiply with 1. To multiply 1 plus, again 12 divide 4, we get 3. This 3 we have to multiply with the numerator 1. So 4 multiply 1 equal 4, plus 3 multiply 1 equal 3, divided by 12 equal 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 by 12. So we got 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 equals 7 by 12, and we write here 7 by 12, and this is the answer. Next question, number 2. 5 1 by 3 divided by 5 2 by 5. So what do we do here? First of all, we look at the base again. Here the base is in the numerator. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So the base is 5, and here also the base is 5. So the base are the same. So what do we do? Here we have to divide, isn't it? We have to divide. This is in the case of law number 3. So you see here a, the so same base, m, a to the power m, divide a to the power n. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract the exponent. We have to subtract the exponent. So this will be equal to, we write the same base 5. We have to subtract the exponent. So here 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5. And this will be equal to 5 raised to the power. So we have to solve this first. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 5. Again, LCM of 3 and 5 equal 15. Next, what do we do? For this fraction first, for this first fraction, 1 by 3. So we have to divide LCM, divide by denominator. 15 divide 3 equal 5. That this 5 we have to multiply with the numerator. So 5 multiply 1 minus, again, for this fraction, 15 divide 5 equal 3. This 3 we have to multiply with the numerator, which is 2. So 5 multiply 1 equal 5 minus 3 multiply 2 equal 6. 15. So equal how much? 5 minus 6. This is plus, isn't it? If there is no sign in front of the number, it is always considered to be plus. This is plus and this is minus. So what should we do? Plus and minus equal how much? Equal minus, isn't it? So we have to subtract. We have to subtract. So we have subtract 5 minus 6 equal 6 minus 5 equal 1. And next, what should we do? We put the sign of the greater number. Here, which is greater, 5 or 6? It is 6. And the sign of 6 is minus. So we put minus. Minus 1 by 15. So we have minus 1 by 15. And this is the answer. Next question. Question number 3. Here we have 2 raised to the power half and 3 raised to the power half. So the base is 2 and here the base is 3. So the base are different. But look at the exponent. The exponent, this is exponent 1 by 2 and this is also exponent 1 by 2. So the exponent is the same. So this is the case of when the loss number 2. Here the base are different but the exponent are the same. So what do? We group the bases together and we raise them to the power. So we group here 2, we group the bases and then we raise to the same power, which is half. This will be equal to 6. 2 multiply 3 equals 6, so raised to the power half. And this is the answer. Next question is question number 2, 3. 81 raised to the power minus 1 by 4. So we have 81 raised to the power minus 1 by 4. So in here, what do? Is we first factorize 81, okay? We first factorize 81. So 81, 3 2s are 6, carry 2, this becomes 21. So 3 7 are 21, 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9. So 81 equal how much? 3 multiply 3, multiply again by 3, multiply again by 3, multiply 3. So 81 equal how much? 81 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 4 3s. We have to multiply 3 4 times. So we write 3 to the power 4, isn't it? 3 to the power 4. This is previously we have defined it. When we raise any number to the power 5, we multiply it 5 times. So here we have to multiply it 4 times. So we raise it to the power 4. We raise 3 to the power 4. And this equal to, so we write 81 in terms of 3 to the power 4. In place of 81, we write 3 to the power 4. Next, we write the power minus 1 by 4. So here, what do? We first open up the bracket. So 4 open up this bracket, we have to multiply minus 1 by 4. This is we have used law number 5. Am bracket n equal to am multiplied to the power n. So here am multiply n, this equal to, so this is 4, we cancel with the 4 in the denominator, and we got 1, so we have 1 multiply minus 1 equal minus 1, so we get 3 minus 1. We don't leave it there yet. What do we write here? This is 8 raised to the negative power, isn't it? So here also 3 to the raised to the negative 1, so we write 1 by 3 to the positive 1, and this will be equal to, this can be rewritten as 1 by 3, because if it's raised to the power 1, we just write 3. Next question is question number 4.1. This is from the book. Question number 4.1, exercise 1h. This will be equal to 16 raised to the power minus 1 by 5, close the bracket, and again raised to the power 5 by 2. So what should we do here? We first open up the bracket and we multiply the powers. Minus 1 by 5 multiply 5 by 2. This equal to how much? Here is 5 in the denominator and here is also 5. So we in the numerator, so we cancel them. Now we will get minus 1 by 2. 16 raised to the power minus 1 by 2. So here what we do is we factorize first the 16. Factorizing 16, we will go directly with 4. Okay, you will see why we go with 4. 4 multiply 4 equal 16. So 16 equal 4 multiply 4, and this can be rewritten as 4 to the power square, isn't it? 4 to the power square. We have to multiply the same number 4 2 times. So we raise 4 to the power square. Next, we write 16 as 4 to the power square. So minus half, and 4, we open up the bracket. This is 2 multiply minus 1 by 2. So again, this 2 and this 2 in the denominator, it's get cancelled, and we got 4 raised to the power minus 1. And 4 raised to the power minus 1 is, we use again the laws of indices. A raised to the power minus n, we have 1 by a raised to the power positive n. So in case of minus 1, we write plus 1. Now this will be equal to 1 by 4, because 4 to the power 1 equal 4. Next question, 4.2. 0.001 raised to the power 1 by 3. So what do we do here? This is a decimal number, isn't it? This is a decimal number. So we write it in P by Q form. So what do we do? Here, after the decimal point, there are how many numbers? 1, 2, and 3. So we just write 0.001. We have to multiply by the 1000, because 1000 has 3 zeros, and because we have multiplied over 1000, we have to divide by 1000 in order to balance them. So 1 by 3. And remember, here if we multiply with 1000, which has 3 zeros, what do we do? This decimal point shift to the right. How many places? 1000 has 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So it will shift 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So this decimal point will now be here. And this is now 1 point, isn't it? So 1 point, we do not write this point because after point we will have 0, 0, 0. So we do not write any point. So 1, we just write 1 and divided by 1000. And this will be equal to 1 by 3. Remember, suppose if you have 0.2.1, multiply by 10. This point will shift one places because 10 has 1 0. So this will become, instead of 2.1, it will become 21. Okay, so again here equal 1 by, again we factorize 1000, and we have, let us go by 10. 10 into how much equal 1000? 10 to 100. 10 to how much equal 100? 10 into 10. So 1000 will be equal to 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, and this will be equal to 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 means we have to multiply 10 3 times. So 10 to the power 3. So we write in place of 1000 10 to the power 3, and we raise 1 by 3. So here next we simplify this further. We have, here is 1 by 10 to the power 3 bracket raised to the power 1 by 3. So what do we have to do here is we raise both 1 and 10 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3. So it becomes 1 by 3 and 10 to the power 3 1 by 3. And this will be equal to 1 raised to the power of anything will always be equal to 1. And 10 to the power 3, open up the bracket, multiply 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 we gets cancelled. We have 1 by 10. We have 1 by 10. And this will be equal to how much? If we divide 1 by 10, remember if we divide, this decimal point is in here. If we divide, it will shift to the left. So we have 0.1, and this is the answer. Next question is question number 4. 25 raised to the power 3 by 2 multiply 243 raised to the power 3 by 5, 16 raised to the power 5 by 4 multiply 8 raised to the power 4 by 3. So this will be equal to, so first of all we prime factorize all these, we factorize all these base. So we have 25 equal 5 into 5 equal 25. So 25 can be written as 5 square. I just write it directly, 5 square. Again, so we prime factorize 25. Next we prime factorize, 243. 243, 3 8 are 24, 3 1 are 3, 3 27 are 81, 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9. So 243 equal 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 raised to the power 5. Next we factorize 16. So 16 will be equal to, we won't go by 2, okay, we won't go by 4, we will go by 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. So 16 will be equal to 2 to the power 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 to the power 4. Next is 8. Again by 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. So 8 will be equal to 2 to the power 1 2 3. So 2 to the power cube. So now we write all these values there. So we have 25. In place of 25 we write 5 square. So 5 square 3 by 2 multiply 243. In place of 243 we will write 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5, 3 by 5 divided by 16. In place of 16 we write 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 raised to the power 5 by 4 multiply, and 8 equal 2 cube. So 8 2 cube raised to the power 4 by 3. So then we open up all these brackets. We 5, this is 2. Open up this bracket, we have to multiply the powers 3 by 2, multiply the exponent again 3 5 multiply the exponent 3 by 5, and here 2 multiply the exponent 4 multiply 5 by 4, multiply again here 2 3 multiply 4 by 3, and this will be equal to, so here what do? We cancel 2 and 2 we cancel, 5 and 5 we cancel, 4 and 4 we cancel, 3 and 3 we cancel. So we got 5 cube multiply 3 cube divided by 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 to the power 4. So we got 5 cube multiply 3 cube divided by 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 to the power 4. So here we see in the numerator, this is the numerator, we see this is base 5 and this is base 3, so the bases are different, but look at the exponent 3, here also exponent 3, so they are the same exponent. So what should we do? We just group the bases together, 5 multiply 3, and write the exponent. In here we see the basis is the same, isn't it? Here the base is 2 and here also the base is 2. So what do? We just write 2 and we raise it to the power, and this is 5, this is 4. This is a multiplication. So since it is a multiplication, we add the exponent. We get 5 plus 4. This will be equal to 5 multiply 3 equal 15. 15 raised to the power of 3, and 2. This is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. So then we find this value. 15 cube means we have to multiply 15 3 times. And 2 to the power 9 means we have to multiply 2 how many times? 9 times. Multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 2. Multiplying this, you will have 3375, and here we will have 512. So we just write 15 cube equal 3375 divided by 2 to the power 9 equal 51512, and this will be the answer.